Meanie.
Come out here.
Come on, find him.
Look for him. Look for him. Look for that rabbit. Find that rabbit. Find him. Find him. Look for him.
Oh, you guys gonna be wet puppies.
Find him, find him, find him.
Find him a little bit. Get him, Meanie.
Wait a minute, you're going too far. Bambi, a little bit.
Get him, pretty girl.
Look for him, pretty girl. Look for him. Get in there and look for him.
I don't think that's how you catch a rabbit, pretty girl. You still are pretty. So a little bit's got a little bit more look. Find him a little bit. Get him, Meanie.
Come on, Spitfire, find him. Find him.
That's Meanie. Get him, Bambi.
That's Spitfire, JR.
Is that right? Hey, ninjas, out in the hunting times, running the dogs, trying to get some rabbits. It's day 3 of no alcohol for me, which is good. Stay inside the house, being depressed doesn't work out. So sometimes you gotta get up and get to moving. That right there helps you with your back pains and such. So hopefully everything will be alright. Hope you're doing well. Peace, ninjas. Have a great day. Find them. Hey, Meanie, how do you feel like running that rabbit, huh? Did you have a good time? You have a good time, yeah? You have a good time? Yep, you had a good time. You had a good time. Did y'all have some good times in there? Alright, love y'all.